Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something small in size, but surprisingly interesting in value, the Australia 5 cents coin from 1978, especially in very fine condition. You might have one of these coins sitting quietly in a drawer or an old collection, and you'd be surprised to know it carries both historical charm and collector interest. So let's explore its story, its condition, what it's made of, and most importantly, how much it's worth today in dollars. The 1978 Australian 5 cents coin is part of the decimal currency system that Australia introduced in 1966, replacing the old pounds, shillings, and pence system. By 1978, these coins were already widely circulating across the country, becoming a familiar part of everyday transactions. This coin features the iconic echidna on the reverse side, a unique Australian animal known for its spiky appearance and shy nature. On the front, you'll find the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, reflecting Australia's connection to the British monarchy at the time. Now, when we talk about a very fine condition coin, we're referring to a piece that has clearly been in circulation but still retains strong details. The design is visible, the echidna's spikes are still noticeable, and the Queen's portrait shows decent clarity, although there may be some wear on the higher points. It's not perfect, but it's still very collectible. The 1978 Australian 5 cents coin is made from cupronickel, which is a blend of. This composition gives the coin its silver-like appearance and durability, allowing it to withstand years of use without quickly deteriorating. It weighs about and has a diameter of making it a small but sturdy coin. Its plain edge and simple design make it easy to recognize, and despite its simplicity, it carries a timeless appeal that collectors appreciate. This coin was minted in large quantities at the Royal Australian Mint, which means it's not rare in general circulation. However, condition plays a very important role in determining its desirability and value. When it comes to collector demand, the 1978 Australian 5 cents coin sits in an interesting position. Because millions were produced, it's not considered a rare date. However, collectors who aim to complete full sets of Australian decimal coins still actively seek coins from each year, including 1978. Demand increases when the coin is in better condition. A very fine example is attractive because it still shows good detail without being overly worn. For beginner collectors, this coin is a great and affordable entry point into the hobby. For experienced collectors, it's a necessary piece for completing date runs. There's also a nostalgic factor. Coins from the 1970 ES remind people of a different era, and that emotional connection adds to their appeal. Now let's talk about what everyone is curious about: the current market value. A 1978 Australian 5 cents coin in very fine condition typically holds a modest but respectable value. In today's market, it generally sells for around $120,000 to $150,000. Depending on the exact condition and buyer interest. If the coin is closer to the higher end of very fine, with sharper details and less wear, it may reach toward that $1 mark. If it shows more wear, it will usually stay closer to its, or just slightly above. While it may not seem like a huge amount, the real value lies in its collectability and historical significance, rather than just its price. If you're collecting coins like this, it's always a good idea to store them properly. Keeping your coins in protective holders or albums can help maintain their condition and prevent further wear. Try to handle coins by the edges rather than touching the surfaces, as fingerprints can affect their appearance over time. Even small steps like this can make a difference in preserving value. It's also helpful to learn grading basics. Understanding what separates a very fine coin from fine or extremely fine will help you make better decisions when buying or selling. And most importantly, enjoy the process. Coin collecting is not just about money, it's about history, discovery, and building something meaningful over time. To wrap things up, the 1978 Australian 5 cents coin in very fine condition may not be a rare treasure, but it's a beautiful piece of history that still holds value for collectors today. Its durable composition, classic design, and steady demand make it a worthwhile addition to any collection. Next up, today, we're exploring the Australia 5 cents coin from the year 2000, especially in very fine condition, and uncovering what it's really worth in today's market. Stay with me, because this humble little coin might surprise you. The Australian 5-cent coin has been part of the country's decimal currency system since 1966, when Australia transitioned away from pounds, shillings, and pence. By the time the year 2000 rolled around, the coin was already a familiar piece in everyday transactions, quietly circulating in millions of pockets across the country. The 2000 issue is particularly interesting because it comes from a time when coin production was highly standardized, yet still deeply connected to national identity. Featuring the iconic echidna design on the reverse, this coin represents one of Australia's most unique native animals, symbolizing resilience and individuality. Now let's talk about condition, because this is where value begins to take shape. A coin described as very fine has seen some circulation, but it still retains strong detail. The echidna's spines are visible, the edges are defined, and while there may be light wear, the coin still presents beautifully. It's not brand new, but it's far from worn out. This balance between age and preservation is what makes very fine coins appealing to many collectors. When you look beyond its appearance, the composition of the Australian 5-cent coin adds another layer of interest. The coin is made from cupronickel, which is an alloy of. This blend gives the coin its silver-like color and durability, allowing it to withstand years of circulation without losing its structural integrity. Weighing and measuring in diameter, it's the smallest denomination in Australian decimal currency. Despite its size, it carries a strong presence, especially when you consider how many hands it has passed through over the years. The year 2000 was also a significant time globally, marking the turn of the millennium. While the 5-cent coin didn't feature a special commemorative design that year, it still represents a moment in time that collectors appreciate. Coins often act as silent witnesses to history, and this one is no exception. Now you might be wondering, is there really demand for a common coin like this? The answer is yes, but with an important perspective. Collectors are drawn to coins for different reasons. Some look for rarity, others for condition, and many for the story behind the coin. The 2000 Australian 5-cent coin is not rare in terms of mintage, but in very fine condition. It still holds steady interest among collectors who enjoy assembling complete date sets or studying subtle variations in design and wear. There's also a growing community of new collectors who appreciate affordable entry points into the hobby. Coins like this offer a perfect starting place. They're accessible, historically meaningful, and still carry a sense of discovery. For many people, collecting isn't just about high-value coins. It's about the journey, the learning, and the satisfaction of building something meaningful over time. In very fine condition, the Australia 5-cent coin from the year 2000 typically holds a modest market value. In most cases, it ranges from around $1,030,000 to $1,045,000 Australian dollars, depending on the exact level of detail and overall eye appeal. While this may not sound like a large amount, it's important to understand the bigger picture. Value in coin collecting isn't always about immediate profit. It's about potential, preservation, and the enjoyment of owning a piece of history. If the coin were in uncirculated condition, its value could be slightly higher, especially to collectors seeking pristine examples. However, even in very fine condition, it remains a respected and appreciated piece within the collecting community. If you're thinking about collecting or already have coins like this, there are a few things to keep in mind. Always handle coins carefully, preferably by the edges, to avoid adding oils or fingerprints that could affect their condition over time. Storing coins properly is just as important. Using coin holders or albums can help protect them from scratches, moisture, and environmental damage. Over time, even small efforts in preservation can make a noticeable difference. It's also a great idea to learn continuously. The more you understand about coins, their history, and grading standards, the more confident and successful you'll become as a collector. Every coin has a story, and discovering that story is part of the excitement. So, what have we learned today? The Australia 5-cent coin from the year 2000 may seem small and ordinary at first glance, but it carries history, craftsmanship, and a quiet charm that collectors truly appreciate. In very fine condition, it offers a balance between accessibility and collectible value, making it a great addition to any collection. While its market price may be modest, its real worth lies in what it represents. It's a reminder that even the simplest objects can hold meaning, and sometimes the smallest coins can spark the biggest passion. Next up, today we're diving into a small coin with a surprisingly interesting story and real collector appeal. The Australia 5-cent coin from 1968 in very fine condition. At first glance, it might seem like just another everyday coin, but once you understand its history, condition, and collector demand, you'll see why it holds a special place in the world of numismatics. So let's explore what makes this coin unique, how its value is determined today, and why collectors continue to appreciate it. The Australian 5-cent coin was first introduced in 1966, right after Australia transitioned to decimal currency. By 1968, the coin was already a familiar part of everyday life across the country. These coins were minted in large numbers, mainly at the Royal Australian Mint, and were used heavily in daily transactions. Now, when we talk about a 1968 coin in very fine condition, we're referring to a coin that has clearly been circulated but still retains a good amount of detail. The design elements, such as the echidna on the reverse side and the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse, are still visible, though some wear can be noticed on the higher points. A very fine coin strikes a nice balance. It shows history and usage, but it hasn't lost its character. For many collectors, this level of condition is actually quite appealing because it tells a story of real circulation while still preserving the design. The 1968 Australian 5-cent coin is made from cupronickel, which is a blend of and. This composition gives the coin its silver-like appearance and makes it durable enough to withstand years of use. The coin weighs and has a diameter of about. Its design features the iconic echidna, one of Australia's most recognizable native animals, beautifully crafted with fine detail. On the front, you'll find the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Arnold Machine, which was used on many Commonwealth coins during that era. This combination of durable material and meaningful design is part of what has allowed these coins to survive in collectible condition even decades later. When it comes to collector demand, the 1968 Australian 5-cent coin sits in an interesting position. It is not considered a rare coin because millions were minted, but that doesn't mean it lacks value or interest. Collectors often look for coins from the early decimal years, especially those from the late 1960s. These coins represent the beginning of a new era in Australian currency, which gives them historical importance. A coin in very fine condition is especially desirable for beginner collectors or those building complete date sets. The demand is steady rather than extreme, but it remains consistent because of the coin's accessibility and historical value. Many collectors enjoy adding such coins to their collection as part of a broader story rather than focusing only on rare pieces. Now let's talk about what this coin is worth today. A 1968 Australian 5-cent coin in very fine condition typically has a modest market value. In most cases, you can expect it to be worth around $40,000 to $75,000 Australian dollars, depending on its exact condition and visual appeal. Coins that are closer to the higher end of very fine, with clearer details and fewer marks, can sometimes fetch slightly more. However, since this coin is common, its value doesn't usually rise dramatically unless it is in much higher grades, like extremely fine or uncirculated condition. Even though the monetary value might seem small, its real worth lies in its history and its role as part of a collection. If you're interested in collecting coins like this, there are a few helpful ideas to keep in mind. Always pay attention to the condition of the coin, because even small differences in wear can affect value. Try to store your coins properly in protective holders to prevent further damage. It's also a great idea to collect coins as part of a series. Building a complete set of Australian decimal coins from the 1960s can be very rewarding and gives more meaning to each individual piece. Learning about the history behind each coin will also deepen your appreciation and make collecting more enjoyable. Patience is key in coin collecting. Over time, even common coins can gain interest and value, especially as older generations of coins become harder to find in good condition. In conclusion, the 1968 Australian 5-cent coin in very fine condition may not be a rare treasure in terms of price, but it is definitely a meaningful and collectible piece of history. It represents the early days of Australia's decimal currency, carries a classic design, and remains accessible to collectors of all levels. Sometimes, the beauty of coin collecting isn't just about high value, but about the stories, the history, and the journey of building a collection piece by piece. Coins like this remind us that every collection starts somewhere, and even the smallest coins can bring great satisfaction.